Section 4. Applications and Market Potential of AI-Driven VR. The potential for AI-driven VR is truly limitless, offering a vast array of possibilities that we are only beginning to explore. It's already being used in a variety of industries, from gaming and entertainment to healthcare and education, revolutionizing the way we interact with digital environments. In gaming, AI is creating more immersive and challenging experiences, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Imagine playing a game where the characters learn your playing style and adapt accordingly, making each session unique and tailored to your skills. In healthcare, AI-powered VR is being used to treat phobias and PTSD, providing patients with innovative and effective treatment options. It's also being used to train surgeons and other medical professionals, offering a safe and controlled environment to practice complex procedures. In education, AI-driven VR can transport students to ancient Rome or the Amazon rainforest, making learning an exciting adventure. They can learn about history and science in a more engaging and interactive way, which can significantly enhance their understanding and retention of information. The market for AI in VR is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, with projections reaching billions of dollars. This is because businesses and consumers alike are beginning to realize the transformative potential of this technology, which promises to reshape industries and redefine our experiences. Section 5. Ethical Considerations and the Future of AI in VR. As with any new technology, it's important to consider the ethical implications of AI in VR. This means thinking about how these technologies affect our lives and the lives of those around us. For example, we need to make sure that AI-powered VR experiences are inclusive and accessible to everyone. This includes people with disabilities, different age groups, and those from various socioeconomic backgrounds. We also need to be mindful of the potential for addiction and other negative consequences. Spending too much time in virtual worlds can lead to social isolation and mental health issues. It's important to use AI in VR responsibly and ethically. This means setting boundaries and guidelines to ensure that the technology is used for positive purposes. The future of AI in VR is incredibly exciting. We are on the brink of creating virtual worlds that are almost indistinguishable from reality. We can expect to see even more realistic and immersive virtual worlds. These advancements will open up new possibilities for education, entertainment, and even therapy. We can also expect to see AI being used in new and innovative ways that we haven't even thought of yet. The potential applications are limitless, from virtual travel to advanced simulations for training. One thing is for sure, AI is going to play a major role in shaping the future of VR. Its influence will be felt in every aspect of our virtual experiences, and that future is looking very bright indeed. With responsible development and ethical considerations, AI in VR has the potential to transform our world for the better.